If you're seeing an itch.io download error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if your download is stuck, won't start, or keeps failing partway through. We'll go through the easiest methods first, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting your file downloaded successfully. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing you should try is alternate download mode. On the itch.io project page, look just below the main download button and find the small link that says alternate download mode. Click that link to switch to a different download server. This can fix issues caused by overloaded servers, region problems, or a temporary connection glitch. After switching modes, try the download again and see if it starts normally. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to check your security software. Sometimes a third-party antivirus program or firewall can block the executable file or interrupt the download before it finishes. Temporarily disable any non-default security tools you have installed, then try downloading the file again. Just remember to turn your protection back on afterward, because this is only a troubleshooting step. If you're still having trouble, the third fix is to use a browser download manager. First, cancel the stalled download in your browser so it doesn't keep retrying the broken request. Then, copy the direct download link from itch.io. You can usually get this by right-clicking the download button or copying the file link from the page. After that, open a third-party download manager like Internet Download Manager or Free Download Manager, paste in the direct link, and start the download from there. These tools can sometimes handle large files, interrupted downloads, or browser issues more reliably than the built-in browser downloader. If you want the best results, try these steps in order. Start with alternate download mode because it's the fastest and least intrusive fix. If that doesn't work, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. And if the download is still failing, switch to a dedicated download manager. One of these methods usually solves most itch.io download problems. If this helped you fix the issue, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.